Hi guys, in this video you're gonna learn how to send voice messages on Discord. Well, first record your voice. So open your voice recorder on your laptop or personal computer device. Then after you record your voice, step 2, go to Discord. Then log in to your account. So you can choose to download this Discord or open Discord in your browser. Now, step 3. Go to your chat channels. Example, I'm gonna go to Lyric server here. Then go to general. Then after that, click the plus sign at the message panel below at the left side. Then click upload a file. Then in here, choose the file that or the voice record that you made. Then click open. Then enter the record here. Send it. And that's it. That's how to send voice messages on Discord. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial. Thanks for watching.